Tired of wrestling with messy full name data in Excel? Let's transform that single column into perfectly organized first and last name columns in just a minute. First, if you have Excel 365 or later, the easiest method is using the TEXTSPLIT function. Select the first empty cell in your desired first name column. Now, type in equals TEXTSPLIT, then select the cell containing the full name, which in this case is John Smith. Next, type a comma followed by a space in quotation marks, then another comma, close the bracket and press enter. Boom, the first name now appears in the cell. Drag the little square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to automatically populate the first names for all your entries. Repeat the same TEXTSPLIT process for the last name column, but add a 2 after the last comma, equals TEXTSPLIT A2. To this tells Excel to extract the second part of the text after the space, which is the last name. If you have an older version of Excel, don't worry. We can use a combination of LEFT, right, and find functions in the first name column. Type equals LEFT, then select the full name cell. Now, add a comma and the find function find a to 1 and close the brackets. This extracts everything to the left of the space. For the last name column, type equals right, select the full name cell, add a comma, then len a defined a to and close the brackets. This extracts everything to the right of the space. And there you have it, 2 quick ways to separate first and last names in Excel, making your data cleaner and easier to manage.